Hey everyone, it's Ryan Stunkel, the founder of Blipsounds, and today I'm going to show you how to make a looping sound effect in Reaper. It's really simple. All that we're going to do is take this crowd sound here that you can get from the free course on blipsounds.com. If you listen to our sound here, you can hear that it won't loop automatically. It has a noticeable gap there. So what we're going to do is we are actually going to take our audio file and we're going to chop off the ends, then we're going to cut it in half, then we're going to simply move one audio file on top of the other. And if we listen, it makes a seamless transition with what we call a crossfade. A crossfade is basically automating the volumes of each individual track to go from low to high and high to low on top of each other, so it appears as if there is literally zero transition. It's just one seamless audio file. We have a few ways of exporting this. We can either highlight all of these, right click, and hit glue items, and now it's one seamless audio file. We can go to File, Render, and then make sure that the tail is cut off here, and selected media items. So now we'll just select this media item, and then we can export by calling this looping crowd sound. Make sure the tail is cut off, because if you do add that tail, it will not be a seamless loop anymore. And let's go ahead and put this to our desktop. And let's render. Cool. And just to show as an example, let's go ahead and take this and move this directly back into Reaper. If you want to download Reaper, we show you how to do that in the free course on blipsounds.com. So now let's go ahead and drag out this audio file to see if it looped properly. Would you look at that? It's a perfect loop. If you're looking for more experience with sound design, we highly recommend you join the Game Audio Training Series on blipsounds.com. We connect you, the sound designer, to game developers working on non-commercial projects, and you get to work as a team and get exclusive access to courses on Fmod, sound design, and Reaper. And you get to join an awesome community of people who are passionate about sound design. Anyways, I hope this video is helpful, and I'll catch you guys around. Thanks for watching.